If you want to fix protruding ears and fix the big ears without tools and surgery, this video is for you. You can repeat with me right now. The exercises are very simple. The first exercise. Like me, put your head on your arm and bend your head slightly and hold your ear with your 4 fingers. This exercise is very effective and it is enough to do 2 sets of 20 seconds. Now it is the turn of the other side. Repeat the same thing again. If you do it right now, you will realize how simple it is. The second exercise. Gently pull your ear up with your hand. Start from the finger and continue to the palm. This exercise will help you improve your ears. Soft, not hard or not loose. Just do this exercise for 20 seconds. Thank you for giving me energy with likes. The third exercise. Gently press the corner of your ear like I did. Now open your mouth wide. After a few seconds, repeat this again. This is a very funny exercise. Just do this exercise for 20 seconds. The fourth exercise. Massage behind your ears in circular motions like I did. This exercise is very simple but important. This massage will relax you. I suggest you definitely try it. Just do this exercise for 20 seconds. Great. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. Thank you for giving me energy with likes. We are human with any race.